Hey everybody, Big Al here, Big Al's Fishing Addiction. It is nothing but ice right here on the ramp. Oh my gosh, I almost slid right back in with my truck. Luckily I put it in forward and whew, that was sketchy. Bring some ice melt. Fish on? You can click that thing.
No, the last time I did that, it wouldn't roll in. Little guy.
Your little guy?
Yeah.
Hey, there you go. Nice. Hey, skunk soft. Just a little guy. Let's take it. No cutthroat.
On the flatfish.
On the flatfish. Hey,
Nice
first
little
fish.
cutty to start the day.
Little cutty. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Let's go. Breaking in. A watermelon Nebo. Stay on. Yeah. What do we got? What do we got?
Right over it. Oh, bitch. You're getting a bite on your fire rod.
Okay, okay. All right, make sure you get that thing.
Oh my gosh.
You got it?
No. Steve, you see the Dodgers getting in the way?
You got it? Okay, get him out of the way.
Fire rod, brother.
All right, got one on the fly rod, double up. Oh, that's a nice rainbow. I want a picture of that thing. Oh yeah, we got one on the fly rod. Woohoo!
Does it feel nice?
It's decent. Not as big as that one.
Nice.
All right, double up. Oh, it's coming towards me. I think it got off. Wait, no, he's still there. There he is.
Sit up, sit up.
Woohoo! Double up.
That's nice. That was bigger, actually.
Let's go. Let's hurry and get this
That's not
thing
the
in the
same
water. Oh, that was nice. Look at that fat bow.
Heck
Yeah. On the bounce leech. With the double. All right, just doubled up. One on the new Wonder Bread. Sorry, I apologize. Watermelon. And on my corn too. That's right, mate. Made this corn. Yeah, let's go. All right, so I broke it in. The Nebo watermelon. Let's go. Got one? on, buddy. Where's you at? Nice.
On the fly.
Nice. That's a
nice
fat
one,
blow.
That was a nice
Look
one.
at that one.
Definitely got a picture of that one.
That's a good fat blow right there. That's a nice one. Let's get a picture. Measure it. I'm gonna say 17.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
right on. Right on 17.
Gotta shoot a picture. Give it a good hug. Nice. That was awesome. I was letting my line out and I got a bite. Will you help with the snap weight? Nice. What we got?
Rainbow.
Big old rainbow again?
Yeah.
Let's go. That was awesome. I was letting out. That's a fat rainbow. Yeah. That's a nice bow right there. Woohoo! On the Nebo. Fire Tiger. Let's go. That was awesome. Fat bow. Nice. As I was letting out. Thank you. Ready?
Yep. Think he's still there?
Yeah, yes, he's still there.
Good.
Kokanee?
I don't know, I can't tell.
I think so.
Yes, sir.
All right, first Kokanee. Is it a Kokanee?
Oh no, it is a rainbow. It was kind of blue looking like a kokanee for a second.
Oh, that's a rainbow.
Definitely a rainbow.
It was jumping like it was a Kokanee.
When it was in the water.
Small, so the day, but I'll take it. Got a snap on this one too.
Why?
Right,
You do.
right thing. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, buddy? Nice.
I don't know how you want to do with that.
I'm gonna try to get it. There you go. We got it. Big old cutty. Nice. Let's go. Appreciate you, buddy. All right. On the watermelon. Watermelon. The watermelon. Nice little cutthroat. Come off, or you still got him? Let's go, buddy. On the needlefish. Oh, nice. What's that? Nice. All right. Wait a minute. All right. Guess what on? The new Ghirardelli. Let's go. Stay on, baby. Stay on, baby. Got him?
Yeah, it feels nice.
Nice. Woohoo! All right, we should have been trolling.
Very nice.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
How deep are you?
That's a good one. I'm just going 50-50.
Oh yeah, you're nice.
That's a nice one. Thank you.
Got a bite.
No, buddy. Nice and slow. You don't need to roll it too fast. There you go. Nice.
On the triple pizza.
All right. With my piece of corn.